Hi, my name is Sarwesh. Today I will show you how you can use ChatGPT integrated into VS Code Editor to write code of some basic sorting and searching algorithms. So let's start. Firstly, open VS Code Editor and run ChatGPT extension. To know how to install and run this extension in VS Code Editor, you can watch our previous video. So let's start. To start with, we will try to generate bubble sort program in Python language. So we will give the prompt to generate bubble sort program with array taken from users. So this is the generated code. Just copy this code and paste it into a new file. Now we can either save this code and then run this code, or we can directly run this code using the Run button here. I will directly run the code in interactive mode using Run button. So, in order to run the sorting algorithm, we have to firstly specify number of elements in array, and then give each element of array one by one. We will give array elements that are to be sorted in a random way. So the code is very quick in sorting the elements, and the result after sorting is completely correct. Now let's generate code for a bigger sorting algorithm. Let's try generating code for Heap Sort. As the Heap Sort algo is big, so it might take some time to generate the complete code. Until the code is generated, here are some details about Heap Sort. A heap is a binary tree where the value of each node is greater than or equal to the values of its children. Once the heap is built, the largest element is removed from the heap and placed at the end of the sorted array. This process is repeated until the heap is empty, and the array is sorted. Heap Sort is a very efficient sorting algorithm, with a worst-case time complexity of O(n log n). So this is the generated code. Just copy the code and paste into the editor, and run the code. This code also takes number of elements in array, and then takes each element separately. We will test the code for 5 array elements and then give the elements randomly and then check the answer. The generated result is correct and the speed of the code is also very fast. We can test the code for any number of elements, like here demonstrated for 20 inputs. We can give as much as number of elements as we want. In next video, you can learn to generate searching code, and how to combine sorting and searching code together to make a larger code. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like, and share with others.